we're moving on to trinomials where a is greater than 1. So we're going to have a number out front, as you can see in that first example here. I ask you to factor, but I also give you a heads up, little warning, little hint. Watch for the GCF. Watch for a greatest common factor. I need to see 2 steps in each of these problems. You'll see my 2 steps in each of them. So I gave you the hint. I gave you the heads up. Watch for a GCF. So check out, see if we have a GCF. You look, 5, 25, 20. They all have 5 in common. We take the 5 out. We have x squared plus 5x plus 4 left over. That's step 1. Take out the GCF. Show me what's left over. After that, we continue to factor. Don't forget, we write the GCF out front. Open up 2 sets of parentheses for 2 binomials, x and x. What factors of 4 add up to 5? Well, 4 and 1, both positive. That's my second step, and my final step, and my solution. So I need to see those 2 steps on each of these problems. Next one. Same deal. We've got 2x squared minus 12x plus 16. Take out a 2. GCF is 2. We have x squared minus 6x plus 8. Then we continue to factor some more. Think of our factors of 8 that add up to negative 6. Positive 8 that add up to negative 6. You have a negative and a positive in there. You have 2 negatives when you open up sets of parentheses here. X and x, factors of 8 that add up to negative 6 are 4 and 2, both negative. There's your answer. Last one. We have a greatest common factor again. We also lead off with a negative, especially with factoring. Always take out the negative as you go through it. So whatever the GCF is, it's coming out negative. 4, 4, and 8 have 4 in common. So you take out a negative 4. Make sure when you're showing what's left over, you switch the signs. So it'd be an x squared minus an x minus a 2. We continue on. We write the GCF, split up into 2 binomials, x and x. Factors of negative 2 that add up to negative 1 in the middle are 2 and 1. It just, we need that middle, or that 2 to be negative, 1 to be positive, and we're all set.